Struggling to connect Mailchimp to your Namecheap hero site? Stop losing leads. I will show you the exact clicks to get it done in under 5 minutes. We will start in your site editor, then add an email collection element, and finally link it to Mailchimp. Follow these 6 simple steps. First, open your Namecheap hero site editor. This is where all the magic happens for your website. You want to make sure you are logged into your Namecheap account and that you are looking at the main dashboard for the specific site you want to work on. Once you are there, go ahead and click into the editor view. This is your home base for everything we are about to do. Now, locate the button that says Updated Just Now. You'll find this somewhere on your editing toolbar, usually up near the top of the screen. It might look like a small status indicator, but it is actually a clickable button. Go ahead and click on it. This is going to open up the settings or the publishing options for your current website version. Next, click on the option that says One Link. You will see this appear after you click the previous button. It is a specific action inside that menu. Just click on it. Do not worry about what it is called exactly for now. Just know that this is the pathway to adding functionality to your site. Then choose the option that says Collect Your Visitor's Email. This is the part where you actually add the email capture form to your website. You are telling Namecheap that you want to give your visitors a way to sign up. It will place a default form on your page. You can customize how it looks later, but right now we are just focusing on getting it connected. Now, go to the Audience section in Mailchimp. This means you need to open a new tab or switch over to your Mailchimp account. Do not close your Namecheap tab. Just have them both open. Inside Mailchimp, look for the Audience tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it. This is where all of your contacts and subscribers live. You want to make sure you are in the correct audience that you want these new signups to go to. Finally, click the highlighted area to complete the connection. Back in your Namecheap editor, there should now be a highlighted button or a specific prompt asking you to link your Mailchimp account. Click on that. It will ask you to log into your Mailchimp account to authorize the connection. Once you do that, everything will be linked together. And that is it. You have just connected your Mailchimp email list to your Namecheap hero site. Now, whenever someone visits your website and enters their email, it will automatically be captured and added to your Mailchimp audience. No more losing leads. You are all set to start growing your list.